Welcome back to TVC's Good Life. Becky Schwarz joins us. We are learning how to make a pecan cream pie.
Yeah.
Oh,
delicious.
yes.
And over the break, I creamed this.
That looks delicious. Which was
I guess.
cream cheese, real maple syrup,
Real maple
and
syrup
brown sugar,
and
right?
brown sugar, yes.
Okay.
And you're gonna, I'm gonna have you chop those, and you're going to need about 2/3 of the bag.
Ooh, okay, so
You're gonna chop a
So in
lot.
other words,
get to
at
it.
there, right?
Get to it.
Get
there.
going.
Take 2 segments right there.
Yeah, there you go.
What are you saying,
All right,
Carol?
and now what I'm gonna have you do,
Yes.
because I put everyone's work,
Yes.
is we're gonna combine these.
She
two.
works.
So you're gonna
Okay.
need that.
Okay.
So we're gonna fold this in. Have you ever
Okay.
folded?
Sure.
We're not
She's
talking about
needed.
clothes. You've needed?
What do you say? Yes, you just kind of like do it.
Yeah, you fold
Yeah.
it in like a
To get all the air
folding
bubbles.
motion. Yeah, and you're
Okay.
mixing it. Don't worry too much about. It'll flatten out a little, but don't
Okay.
panic. It'll be fine.
Don't panic.
The
she
panic's
says.
at the disco.
Do some heavy breathing.
Yes.
Deep breathing. Oh, are you gonna be okay?
Oh, you
So can you use? You're using pecan. We're just cutting whole pecans up, right?
Yeah, we're cutting up whole pecans. You can buy them
Crushed
chopped
or
It's
chopped?
chopped
If Ronnie can
individually.
do it, you can do it.
And then when the recipe actually doesn't call for this, but I made some candied pecans.
I
put on
noticed
top,
that. How
and
did you do that?
They're sticking together right now.
Oh,
All I
they
did
look
was I put
delicious.
some chopped pecans in a saucepan with some brown suger and what else did I
A
put?
little
in
bit
there?
of butter or just
Um,
maple syrup?
I can't remember. There was a little bit of bourbon.
Oh,
and some cinnamon. There was cinnamon. I
The
just kind of
family
winged it.
secret.
Yeah, there you
Yum.
go. Just a little bit of booze.
Yeah.
I thought about amaretto, but I was like, that's almond. I don't think I want to mix almonds and pecans right now. But
Wow, that sounds delicious.
But yeah, I just kind of winged it, so I don't have a recipe for that.
And you don't do it. Do you do it very long on the stovetop with the pecans?
No,
caramelize
I
them
mean
like that?
basically until the liquid is evaporated. I actually put a little
Okay.
bit of water in because I was having some issues. I was afraid it was going to burn.
Oh, okay.
But
they look really
just
good.
until the liquid's evaporated, and then I just set it on a pan overnight and let it kind of.
How am I doing?
You're doing great.
how's
does
my
this look
drive-in?
Depends
folded?
on what you want. I mean, it can be
Well,
as,
this is
as
your pie,
chopped
sister.
as you want because,
Well-
I mean, if you're gonna
Do-do.
however much you want to eat in a bite.
Wow,
So
I
if you're
love
not into
pecans.
nuts, I mean, I guess.
And does this look folded?
Well, I got a little bit of
Yeah, I
each
think
kind.
so.
I
let
got a
me
little
feel
bit of
and see.
each.
How can
I
you
mean,
tell?
it looks pretty good, I think.
Well,
I
good
think you
job,
did a great
Carol.
job.
There you go.
I would give you a solid A-.
Well, my first
Ooh.
folding experience here, friends.
There
There.
you go.
Who says I can't bake?
I don't know.
Everybody.
Well, technically, we're not really baking. Oh,
Cooking,
but
we're
I
doing
do
something.
need.
Yes.
Okay, I have
There we
here
go.
a pan. Just bought a pie crust because who has time to make a pie crust? But
Or pie.
you pre-bake it, and then you
Okay.
want to cool it completely before you put this in there.
Okay.
So remember that. And this is a hexagon. Just throwing
Not
that
a
out there.
stop
Okay.
sign.
Yeah, not an octagon.
Not an octagon.
All right, now what we're gonna do? We're gonna
Okay.
put everything together. Can you put that
Okay.
over there?
Yep.
Dump her in.
Oh, delicious. Becky,
Okay.
look at this. This is so easy. There's not a lot of ingredients in this.
There really aren't, and it's no bake. You're not baking this
Yes.
afterwards, which is nice.
Just the pie crust,
Yeah.
really.
And if you're
And
gonna make one, you might as well make 3.
Exactly.
Yeah, one for each member
Why
of the
not?
family. Yeah, and
But
what
I-
did you use the milk for, or the heavy whipping cream?
That was I whipped the
Oh,
whipping cream.
that's right,
Made
that's
it
right.
into whipping cream.
Yes, there we go.
That
So
you've never
now-
done because you buy
Yeah,
yours.
I just used the
We're just gonna dump her in there.
Becky, no, that looks
Yes.
too, yeah.
Have we not established I don't
Hello.
make jokes about
Yum.
food? Never joke about pecans.
Oh my goodness.
And then you just want to push it in to the corners. This didn't work I mean, it wasn't great, probably because the pan is a weird shape.
But it's
But
kind
it's
of a
fun,
fun
yeah.
pan.
It is a really fun pan. It's one
And
of
the
my
pieces are
favorites.
going to be huge.
Yeah.
If you
Just cut
go
from
by that.
diagonal to diagonal.
Yeah,
on
there
that
you
one.
go. Just
Look,
6
it's
pieces.
Perfect.
All right. And
My
then
goodness.
what we're going to do, you guys are going to have to help me with this because it's sticky.
Take your,
But we're going to take these guys
just lay the whole
out.
thing on top.
Yeah, I could do that. There you go.
Yeah,
I'm just going to put it on this surface and hope it's clean.
Oh, it is. Trust me. We got
Okay.
John in here.
And then we just crumble this on top.
That looks absolutely a no-bake pecan
Oh my-
cream pie,
And then you're going to chill it for about 8 hours or overnight.
Okay.
as it should be.
And I have
you can
one
wait
that's
that-
pre-chilled, of course.
And if you can't wait that long.
Well, yeah, there's that too.
All right.
or you can just lick the spatula because
Definitely
it's
do
really
this.
good.
This one is not a hexagon.
This is heavenly. Oh my goodness.
Do you know what I would do too? Because we've
What
talked
would you
about
do?
bacon
Ah!
today. Sprinkle some candy bacon with pecan. I mean, wouldn't that add another depth of flavor?
I mean, maybe.
Oh, and see, look, when you put it in the fridge, it just firms
I mean,
up.
maybe.
Oh,
I
looks
prefer my
delicious.
desserts to be like just sweet.
That is amazing.
Do you have another plate?
And you know what? We
Sure,
have
Carol Ann.
we do
I
have
got
the
it.
ingredients for the recipe. So that we will put. Becky, this is
there you
just
go.
heavenly.
Becky,
This
you're the
is
best.
delicious.
There you go.
There it is.
Ah, for Easter.
It is going to be
I don't know
perfect
why I
for
went
Easter.
Southern there.
Very nice. Thanks for
Y'all?
being with us.
Yes.
We appreciate it.
Thank you.
Again, we'll have this recipe
That is
on our
delicious.
website at nebraska.tv
Lay your face
later
in it,
on
good.
this morning. Carol gives it a 2 thumbs up. We're coming back with Brian right after this. Stay with us, friend. Oh, wait, but before that,
We are taking you on a visit to the Platte River because lots of cranes are enjoying their time here in central Nebraska.